WoundClot Advanced Bleeding Control Hemostatic Gauze. External bleeding control, instructions for use. WoundClot Advanced Bleeding Control Hemostatic Gauze is a next-generation soluble hemostatic intended to be used as a topical dressing for the local management of bleeding from cuts, lacerations, and abrasions, and for use as a temporary treatment of severe bleeding from traumatic injuries and surgical wounds, including operative, post-operative, and donor sites. Instructions for use. Tear open package and remove WoundClot hemostatic gauze. Gently insert the folded arrow into the injury cavity toward the suspected source of bleeding. Pack the gauze gently into the injury cavity. Make sure the suspected bleeding source is the focal point of the packing and keep the gauze on it at all times. Place a sponge or general dressing on top of the WoundClot hemostatic gauze and continue to apply direct constant pressure until bleeding stops. If bleeding persists, continue to apply direct constant pressure. If needed, remove dressing and apply another WoundClot hemostatic gauze over the existing one and reapply the dressing. Instructions for removal. Once hemostasis is achieved, remove by saturating the gauze with water or saline solution. Then gently remove any excess gauze material away from the wound. WoundClot hemostatic gauze is intended for external use and has not been approved for internal use in the United States. Following hemostasis, ensure that WoundClot hemostatic gauze does not remain in the wound. For more information, please visit www.woundclot.com.